If the angular velocity vector of a spinning body points out of the page, then when viewed from above the page, the body is spinning in what direction? So if I were to look at this and say that read this question again, it says that a spinning body, some object, is spinning and it has an angular velocity vector that points out of the page. Out of the page is normally represented by a circle and a dot. So my omega is pointing out of the page. And we want to know when we look at it from above, like we see it on this screen, we want to figure out which way it points. So I take my right hand, and I know my angular velocity vector points directly at us. So maybe a little bit of a weird view to see this, that my thumb is pointing directly at you. But what I do is my thumb points out of the page, it matches this vector, which tells me that my fingers show me which way this object is going to rotate. My fingers, as I rotate my fingers around my thumb, my fingers on my right hand, using the right hand rule, my fingers are going to point in a counterclockwise motion. So I have to read my choices and figure out which one is. It's axis parallel to the page. Well, parallel to the page would be in this direction, so that one's wrong. An axis that changes its orientation, nope. We know it points directly out. An axis that's getting longer, that really doesn't make any sense. Clockwise or counterclockwise of an axis pointing perpendicular to the page. Well, the page perpendicular to the page would be out or in. We want the counterclockwise one about an axis perpendicular to the page. So perpendicular out, I'm going counterclockwise around it as we view it from above.